All right, guys, so let's try and put a little combo together again. All right, so we're gonna start in the same position, right hand, bring it across. From here, we're gonna go back, extend the arm forward, boom. Then we change hands, boom, boom. This time we're gonna go up. So you're on your tiptoes, come back down, right? Change hand again, boom, boom. We're gonna turn to the left, swap hand again, boom, boom. Then we're gonna go down, hand comes up, boom, right? So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.